Welcome aboard the Aggie Autonomous Shuttle. This state-of-the-art autonomous vehicle is the result of hard work by talented researchers at North Carolina Agricultural and Technical State University. These autonomous shuttles have been developed in order to provide better transportation choices in rural areas as well as connecting places that have little to no access to public transportation. These small shuttles are also economic solutions for areas with low transportation demand for which traditional mass transportation does not work. In a multimodal transportation ecosystem, these shuttles can also complement the mass transportation systems and expand their service range.
These self-driving shuttles, known as microtransit vehicles, are excellent cost-effective solutions for connecting disconnected communities, and these shuttles can complement the existing transportation service and fill the gap on those areas that we don't have so much transportation choices.
Please buckle up for the journey connecting A&T's campus to downtown Greensboro. These two areas are about 1 mile apart, and a trip between A&T's campus to downtown Greensboro takes about 8 minutes. The maximum speed of the vehicles is 25 miles per hour. There are 2 stops, one in front of the Harold L. Martin Senior Engineering Research Innovation Complex at A&T, and the other is in front of the Greensboro Children's Museum, giving riders access to the Greensboro Public Library, Greensboro History Museum, Greensboro Cultural Center, LeBauer Park, Governor's Court, and downtown businesses and restaurants. Such an effective transportation solution can have a significant economic impact on A&T's neighboring area, which is known to be a food desert, by connecting it to these downtown resources.
We here at A&T are in a special position because we are in the center of Greensboro, which is known to be a food desert. So the Aggie Auto project will enable access to some of those resources as well, providing people with opportunities to get to the establishments that offer healthier food options. And this project gives us the opportunity to link back to our community and to give back to our community, which is always a goal of North Carolina A&T State University.
Before deployment in public streets, the Aggie Autonomous Shuttles were thoroughly tested under different scenarios to make sure that the shuttles can handle complex environments such as downtown areas. To reach this level of capability, the shuttles have been equipped with powerful computing units and all necessary sensors such as cameras, LiDARs, and radars. These sensors can be thought of as the eyes of the vehicles and help the shuttles see and perceive their surroundings and collect important information to make timely decisions and stay safe while driving.
What is exciting and interesting to me is that our research does not stay within research laboratories. We have been able to broaden our research to public roads and the streets. That is a reflection of capabilities of our students and researchers, the excellence in research and education at A&T, and of course the diversity of minds and backgrounds in our team.
What makes me passionate about this project is that we have the possibility to bring our research to public scenarios and test our developments in the reality. Bringing the research from the lab to public streets, like here in the city of Greensboro, you face new, more difficult challenges, mainly because the uncertainty of the road. You don't know what to expect from different driving actors like pedestrians or other vehicles.
By using both GPS and LiDAR technologies, we can figure out exactly where the shuttles are. This helps shuttles stay in their lanes and predict upcoming traffic signs and lights. This information is shown on a high-definition map. These shuttles can also connect to each other, to the riders, and to the internet using 5G. This communication capability brings the shuttles to another level of performance by forming a fleet of connected autonomous vehicles, or CAVs. This connectivity also helps them share where they are and how they're doing in real time. They can even accommodate ride requests from people through a special app made just for these vehicles.
The future is autonomous transportation. Maybe there's a future where people don't really park their cars somewhere, and the future is getting on an app and booking a ride to wherever you want to go. It won't matter if you're within CBD limits, being able to jump into an autonomous car and have it take you anywhere.
The shuttles have also been equipped with a drive-by-wire system that can be commanded by the onboard computers to take control of steering, braking, speeding up, and changing gears. The shuttles are also capable of guessing where other vehicles are going and how fast they're moving. This helps the shuttles make smart choices to drive safely and avoid crashing into things. If the shuttle encounters an obstacle, their self-driving system can quickly slow down or stop completely.
It is exciting to live in an era where autonomy and artificial intelligence is changing our world, from air taxis to autonomous driving vehicles, from smart transportation to smart health and smart farming. And what is exciting to me is to see that NC&T researchers have a strong presence and contribution to all these domains and pushing the boundaries of research.
This project would not have been achieved without the support from sponsors, including the North Carolina Department of Transportation, the U.S. Department of Transportation UTC program, and the Federal Highway Administration, the National Science Foundation, the City of Greensboro's Department of Transportation, and Downtown Greensboro Incorporated. The project is also greatly benefited by the support from industry partners, including Google, Verizon, Volvo, Intel, and others. These shuttles are a big step forward for North Carolina and make Greensboro one of the pioneer cities to try autonomous shuttles and make better self-driving technology and creative transportation solutions. These shuttles also demonstrate the capabilities of North Carolina A&T researchers as leaders in this exciting domain of autonomy and autonomous vehicles, from surface transportation to air mobility. Thank you for coming on this interesting ride with us. We hope you enjoy your ride on the Aggie Autonomous Shuttles. Stay tuned for more innovations of self-driving technology from A&T.